Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download your tax summary in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then in the main dashboard, you can navigate to the all apps here to open all of your available apps. And then you can go to business tax here and you will see tax summary. You can click on it and then you can see the details of your tax summary here. As you can see, taxable profit estimate, you will see the details here. And then also the income from your transaction and deduction from your transaction here. You can see the details here. And you can change also the date, maybe 2025 or 2026. It's up to you. So let's say I want to download this tax summary in from 2026. You can just click this button, download text summary, and then you will be able to download the text summary here, and you can save it to your computer. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.